So one of the things I've always wanted to do with my YouTube channel is kind of figure out ways to involve you guys more and be more interactive with, with your viewers out there. So this is the first video that I'm making that I'm calling Viewers Restorations, and it's where I'll tell you how it started. A guy left a comment. His name's John. He's from California. He left a comment in my one of my videos. And I said, and I could tell by his comment and some of the things he said that he's, kind of neck deep in a Jeep restoration like I am. And he said, or I said to him, I said, hey, send me some pictures of your Jeep, and I'll do a quick video on it and throw it out there. So what a cool way to connect with people that watch my videos. I'm flattered by the comments that John's left on some of my videos and the email that he sent me, and I want to kind of show you guys his Jeep and tell a little bit of the backstory behind it and what he's doing to it and where it's going. So the really cool part of this story is that this Jeep was his grandfather's, passed down to his father. Now John has it, and him and his son are rebuilding it. So this is a 77 CJ7, and they have torn this thing down to the frame, which is one thing that I really wish I would have done. So take a look at this picture. This is obviously unrestored Jeep, but a really good foundation to start with. So one of the things that John and his son are doing to this Jeep is tearing it down to the frame, and that's not uncommon. I didn't do that with my Jeep, and I really wish that I would have, because there's just stuff under there. I just love how clean this looks. So this picture really makes me jealous. So check out the before frame, before powder coating, and after powder coating. See what I mean? That really looks good. Really, I don't know a better word than jealous. I'm jealous of that picture. That powder coated frame looks really good, and I really wish I would have done that with mine. Obviously I could still do that with mine, but I'm kind of past that point in my restoration. So they've got this thing down to the bare frame, and they're in the process of rebuilding it. And from the information that John shared with me, he said that the axles have been rebuilt with air lockers. They went with the Rubicon Express 4.5-inch lift, which is a pretty high-end lift. I considered that lift. I ended up going with the BDS lift, but the Rubicon Express lift is really probably one of the better quality lifts out there. And they're adding an inch of body lift, so 4.5-inch suspension, 1-inch body lift. That Jeep is going to sit really tall. So the drivetrain that they chose for this Jeep is nothing less than impressive. They are doing the LQ4 LS, which more commonly known as the Vortec 6000. This is a, I think, Generation 3 small block Chevrolet 6.0. It's a big motor. It's the motor that I actually have in my Chevrolet truck right now, my 2500 series Chevrolet truck. So I can't imagine this motor in a Jeep. Great choice. Lots of power in that motor. So they're also mating that up to the 4L65 transmission and an NP241 transfer case. So let me flash a picture of what that looks like, because they've already got the motor and the transmission set in place. You can't tell me that doesn't look good with that big motor, that big Chevrolet motor sitting in there on that black powder coated frame. Really clean looking, looks really good. Alright, so I really enjoyed making this video, and it was kind of fun to do that and tell the backstory. And John, again, thank you for all the information about your Jeep and the pictures that you sent in. So this is Viewers Restorations, episode 1, I guess. So if you have a Jeep that you're in the middle of restoring, you've commented on some of my Jeep videos, send me some pictures. Tell me the backstory, and I'll make a video similar to this one. Like I said, I really enjoy doing this, and it's a really cool way to share with other people, what other Jeep enthusiasts are out there doing. So I'll flash up my email address right here. It's jd_offline@yahoo.com. And if you could just email me in some pictures and send some of the, kind of tell me the story of the Jeep a little bit, that'd be really cool. I don't know that I'll be able to do all of them, but I will try to make a video about your Jeep. Alright, so if you like this video, if you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.